Hello guys, and in this short making of video, I'm going to discuss the painting of Waterfall Sel and how it came about, and the different stages involved in the process of coming to the final painting. Here we have one of the shots that was used, and here is another shot that was used, and we just composed them together using the sky from this image and the foreground from the previous image to create this initial scratching. We pushed a little more details into there just to give it some depth, enhance the foreground with what I initially thought was going to look good, but in subsequent renditions we changed the foreground, and here I've included some photographic elements from the plate where it was lit up, and we have added some little bits of grass texture in the middle ground there. We started playing around with the waterfall using custom brushes, but we later on changed that, as you'll see coming up, with a lot more detail in there. As you can see, the painting was beginning to take effect. A little stream in there, and we decided to go ahead and render in the foreground, but that again was changed in subsequent images. With the waterfall changing using the Photoshop pen tool, you can tell that the painting is really coming alive now, and a lot of more details, smaller details, have been included here. Also, I've included the birds, the puffins there, which are taking flight and searching for water, as they do in Iceland. Additional effects where the waterfall collides with the water basin there have been rendered in, and coming up to the final screenshots here. This second last image depicts the foreground being rendered in high detail, and that took me over 10 hours to render in. And this last image shows the final piece that has gone up on my Etsy store, and you'll catch the link just there. Thank you for watching.